Hello everyone. Today, I have a huge video for you guys this summer, and this video is simply going to explain how I am going to do it. The other videos will go more in depth once everything has arrived, but for now you're just going to get this basic outline of what I am going to do. So, this is going to be a Raspberry Pi cluster. Now, how they connect is going to be very important because they need to be able to talk to each other. So, they're each going to be plugged in via Ethernet or Wi-Fi and are going to connect to the router. They're going to need to share files somehow because there's a file that is going to list their IP addresses. So it's going to be very important to what I'm doing. Now, we're going to use something called NFS. NFS is a way to share files, and that's what they need to do. So, one of the Pis is going to be an NFS server, and the other one's going to be the client. If you're having 3, then there'll be 1 server and 2 clients, etc., etc. There will always be 1 NFS server. No more than that. So, whenever Pi 1 needs the NFS client, needs something from the NFS server, goes ahead and goes to the router and says, I need file blank from NFS server. And the router goes ahead and goes on over to the NFS server, gets a few bytes of the file, goes all the way back to the NFS client, runs it, gets more bytes, go back, runs it, and it does that again and again and again, except it's like a nanosecond of getting bytes. It's like instead of me actually explaining it all. This is where it actually starts to get interesting. So, this is your normal setup. You call on a program to be ran. So the program goes onto your computer and uses its resources to run. But if you have OpenMPI, which is what we are going to be using, and 2 computers, which is what we're going to be using here, then the program goes to OpenMPI. OpenMPI goes ahead and uses the power of both computers, but the program, get this, only sees 1 computer because OpenMPI makes the program think that these 2 are merged together. Yeah, pretty interesting. And that's what we're going to be doing. Next video date in this whole series I'm going to do is sometime after May 20th, 2019. I'm not very good at making video series, so just nag me and hopefully I'll do it. But yeah, that's it for this kind of episode 0 of this whole thing. But yeah, thank you guys for watching, and goodbye.